How to get $40 Fandango promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here you will find the search box. Type in Fandango promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can get easily working promo code for Fandango. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're going to find great deals and offers. Just scroll and check. 50% off, $5 off, $20 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to use. Just go ahead and click on it. Make sure the coupon code is valid. If it is valid, you can copy it. Now you can head towards the website of Fandango, log into your account, make your purchase, and while you check out, you'll find the section of promo code. Over the basic code and you'll get the discount. If you want to redeem this code right away, just click on redeem at Fandango. With that, you'll be directed to the official website of Fandango. You have to log into your account. Select the items that you want to purchase, and while you check out, apply this code and get the discount. Also, you can try out these offers. Over here, you're going to find amazing offers. Also, check out these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Fandango. Well, this is how you can easily get $40 Fandango promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.